What's up everybody, SVT Austin here. I got this clutch pedal extension for all older to newer manual Mustangs from American Muscle. Got it here because I got a boot on my leg. I broke my ankle a couple months ago and I have to like turn my foot sideways to get this thing all the way down to the floor. And it's kind of a pain in the ass and doesn't feel right, and I gotta sit up really close with the seat. So I thought, you know, physical therapy and everything is pushing in this clutch for me, so I might as well make it a little easier and a little more comfortable to sit and get that better clutch feel pushing it down. So I'll have it on here for a good while, see if I like it. Usually it's for typically like shorter drivers and stuff like that, just under 6 foot, so it's not too bad for me to push it down, but you know, if I can gain a little more seating room and stuff just to kind of lay back and not have to be up so close, I definitely would enjoy that. So first things first, you got to take off the clutch pedal pad here, which you could literally just use your fingers, pull off each side right there. It just comes off like that, and then from there take this bad boy, and what they recommend, there's 2 options. You could literally just take the 2 pieces on like it is right now and just put it on the pedal as it is. Let me give you the example here. So we got the right side here. You can literally just fit it on like this, slide it on, take the other piece, slide it on like that. Oh, give me a second, let me do the bottom first, slide it up, slide it on like that, put the screws on and then slide the pad on. But I have a feeling me doing that is just going to be a real pain in the ass. So another option is to actually take the 2 pieces here, put them together, get the pad on, and then kind of put it on like a clamshell, I guess you could say. Like open it up this way on both sides, and then put it on that way, and then screw it on, so you already have the pad on, and you don't have to be under here trying to get it on in a difficult spot and a difficult angle. So I'm gonna try that here, and we'll cut to that once I get ready to put it on, because I only got one hand here, so it's kind of difficult. So there we have it. Not too difficult to put on. Had the pad off, put these 2 pieces here together. Actually put the 2 screws on the right side here, which is the place you're supposed to put them through and screw in, just to kind of hold it better, so putting on the pad is a little easier. I started actually putting the pad on from the top. I made it easier to put it on at the bottom because it's a tighter fit here, or it's a closer gap to make instead of this wide one. With putting it on, I literally just took my car key, put it up underneath the rubber lip, pulled it up so it sticks out more to get that stretch, and then just used my finger to apply pressure and just put it over the plastic other lip piece side on this piece here. So with this piece now, what I was gonna do is do the clamshell install method. So bear with me 1 second here, and let me get the camera in a good spot. Let's see here. So that should be good. Hopefully you can see everything. What you're gonna wanna do is just take the bottom end here, or take both sides here, split it apart like this. It'll lock into place like that. Little wiggle here on the sides. Take your screws, put them into place. Get a little screw action like this going on. There we go. I got some threading going on there. Now I can just see on the sides. Just get in there with your screwdriver. Start tightening them in. Sorry, I can't see from my angle here with the camera. Anyway. So you're going to tighten both in, not all the way, because it's usually best to get both in pretty good before you tighten off each one. So you just keep going here.